let's put it in modern terms. Let's not talk about the prophet or prophets following God. Let's say in order to follow Christ, you have people saying, well, you must renounce the things of this world. Tell me how. Tell me how. That's a little bit different than loving the world, but renouncing the things of this world. When you live in the world, there are things that you cannot get by without. Now, there are some communities that even they have to fudge a little bit. Look at the Amish people. For the most part, no technology, no cars, but there are certain areas they must, unfortunately for them, because they don't want to have anything to do with it, but they must bend a little bit. Otherwise, you can't even exist. You can't have, how do you say, well, I don't want to handle money, but, well, how do you pay your property taxes? Just think about these things. So we get indoctrinated to these ideas which are, I don't know where they come from, but they're certainly not from the Bible.
Come into this house, magnify the Lord, lift up holy hands, our hearts in one accord, worship and bow down before